If you thought it was packed on Monday, you thought it was packed on Wednesday, it is absolutely crazier on Friday. Buenas tardes a todos. It's Friday 25th of October. It's 5 p.m. and I just left my school back there, and today is going to be one of the biggest marches in the history of Chile.
Como en este momento no hay fuerzas especiales, no hay carabineros, no hay militares, esto habla de que las personas han ganado espacio en las calles de manera pacífica con esta cacerola que tan típica se ha vuelto en estas manifestaciones y que después del toque de queda siguen sonando desde sus casas, desde los balcones. Y hoy,
just when I thought it was going to calm down throughout the week, the protests here have actually escalated by multiples. Everyone's getting involved now, unions, teachers, healthcare, government workers, the truck unions. It's an organized march today, so everybody's on the streets. I'm in Bella Vista at the moment, and the protests have never kind of reached this far. I'm a good 1.5 kilometers from the epicentre, Plaza Italia, and as you can see, traffic's building up. There's a lot of people on the streets. Everyone's beeping, everyone's marching towards the center, and that is where all the action is this afternoon. Now, I'm only in Salvador Station, a good 1 kilometer from the center, and I have never seen so many people on the streets already starting their march. There are so many people out here right now. Behind me over there, already walking towards Plaza Italia. Yeah, there would be like hundreds and thousands of people making their way there now. So I actually wasn't planning on going to a protest today. I was kind of looking forward to a semi-peaceful Friday evening, having a few drinks and dinner with the people from the school. But yeah, what I think I'll try to do this afternoon is actually talk to a few people. I think you guys get the gist of what the protests look like from my last video. So it'd be very interesting to see what people think, why they're protesting, what their main issues are with the government. But yeah, so I'll just try to do my best with my Spanish. ¡Cante con la perra! ¡Canta, canta! It is absolutely nuts over here. Look how many people are around me, both sides of the street, and I can't even make it to Plaza Italia. Plaza Italia is still 1 whole kilometer from this area, and it's already jam-packed full of people. This is insane. ¿Puede una pregunta para mi país?
¿qué preguntan? Entiendo inglés, si me quiere hablar en inglés.
Pero can video? Is it okay if you respond on video?
Yes.
Okay, the question. ¿Por qué viniste a la manifestación?
Manifestación.
Sí. Why are you protesting? What are the main reasons?
Es que es un conjunto de cosas.
Yo creo que porque nos aburrimos de toda la injusticia.
Nos aburrimos de los abusos y de la injusticia.
Del gobierno.
¿Cuál es el cambio que Chile necesita?
Primero un cambio de gabinete, un cambio de ideas. Y más importante,
Sí. Education, health, sueldo,
la salud pública, las pensiones
pensiones.
Y la educación.
La educación, ok, gracias. Disculpe hermano, ¿puede una pregunta?
Sí.
Para video para mi país,
Sí.
Australia?
We speak English.
Oh, do you? Okay, good. What is the main reason that you're protesting?
Basically,
You have to speak a bit loud for the mic.
all right. Chilean government is so used to take every social economic right and only focuses on property, private property.
Yeah.
Everything. See, education, health insurance, even housing is led to private companies to only profit and leave the people just to their own measures. It is impossible to at least 80% of working men to acquire some home. We don't have access to health. Next to no access to education, and even so, professionals have almost no access to acquire a job. Everything is economically abusive, and Chileans just cannot hold them. Minimum wage is
Sueldo is way too low.
way too low.
So, if there's one thing that you want to change, that needs changing, one thing, education, healthcare, sueldo, just one most important thing, what would it be?
Equality.
Equality. But more specifically,
People need peace. We started like a peaceful manifestation, and government just answered with bullets. That is embarrassing in every part of the world, and the government just doesn't want to accept that. Just doesn't take responsibility.
yes, that's an important point because I feel like at the start last week it was more for the economic problems, but now half the protest is for the military and the police on the street, and you guys don't like that.
Yeah, basically, ever since the start of this movement, government has taken every political action that was more aggressive than the other.
Yeah, that's right. Military protesting,
More military, more bullets, more
Yeah.
dead people.
Yeah.
We're about to be a week long
Yeah.
protesting, and we already have like 18 dead people.
Yeah, that's right.
6 of which are by agents of state.
Yeah.
That is
That's
horrible.
terrible.
That is
Yeah,
horrible.
18 people, yeah, that's a lot. Yeah.
Yeah, we wanted to stop. We
Yeah.
needed to stop.
Yeah, and hopefully after now the government gets the message. Yeah, it's crazy. But thanks a lot, man.
Chile necesita una asamblea constituyente.
Holy shit, if we thought it was packed on Monday, we thought it was packed on Wednesday, it is absolutely crazier on Friday. Holy moly. You can't even move. There's not one bit of space here in Plaza Italia. Seriously guys, out here is insane. I don't even have the words to describe it. This march today will go down in Chile's history. So the main square's behind me, and I don't know where the military or the carabineros are. So today they've just backed off and just let all the people, all the Chilean people, peacefully protest. Alright, so it's 7:30 now, and I'm just trying to make my way to the middle there. And you could really feel it in the air now. You can feel the tear gas in the air. I think very soon the military will start to push the people back. So I'm not planning to hang around for that long. I just want to go to the middle just to check out the views, and then maybe and then before it gets really bad, I'm gonna start making my way back.
¡Vamos a la lucha! ¡Vamos Chile arriba! ¡Vamos! ¡Vamos a la lucha!
I don't know if you guys can tell, but this place is thick with tear gas. After a while, you kind of just get used to it, and it doesn't hurt that much anymore. Your eyes adjust to it, but it is a mental over here. It looks like the military are just in the same spot, all the way on that side and that side. But in all honesty, I don't even know why they're around. Like, what's even the point of them spraying tear gas on all these people? Just let the people protest for a day. It's just absolutely pointless. I haven't seen one single fire, not one person causing trouble. It's the most peaceful protest considering how many tens and thousands of people are here. Alright, I think it's probably a good time now to make our way back. It's nearly 8 o'clock now, and curfew tonight is at 11, so there's still a bit of time, but usually 8 o'clock is when they start to really turn things up, and I don't really feel like getting sick again like 2 days ago from the tear gas. So today's not over yet. I'm still got a few things to do tonight, so don't go anywhere. Alright guys, so the plan tonight didn't go as planned. The girls I was supposed to meet with from the school ended up going home. It was a bit too rowdy, too many people on the streets, and the tear gas was too strong in the air. So yeah, I was kind of looking forward to a drink and say goodbye to Fabi, one of the Swiss girls from the school, which is her last day here. But that's okay, I'm just gonna make my way home now. The streets at the moment is mental. So many people on the streets, it's like going home on a festival. And just in front of me over there, everyone's conjugating, having the after party. I don't really feel like walking 7 kilometers back home to Las Condes. So Nico is gonna save the day. He's gonna come here and pick me up. He's gonna try to make his way somehow through the crowd in his motorbike. So just 1 kilometer that way, I've got to walk to the meeting point. I don't have Wi-Fi, so hopefully we'll be able to find each other. Oh, my man. What's up?
What up?
How was it? Good?
Yeah.
How was the drive?
No, this way is nothing happening.
Oh, okay.
But I was in the other part of the river.
Yeah.
And like people was like really going crazy there.
Yeah.
It's
On this side of the river, just like on that main road, everyone's like stopped and having like an after party.
Dude, I have some videos in the GoPro because I'm recording.
Oh, nice. Yeah, I'll record on the way back.
he was just like in the hotel without like buses or anything. So I said, yeah, I can give you a ride to your home. And
Okay. Oh,
so
nice.
I just like arrived to the house, and you were like, can you please come here? And I was like, okay,
That kind of thing, yeah.
let's go.
All right, we are ready to get back home in style.
There we go.
¿Ha logrado saber de él?
No, en este minuto no hemos conversado con el presidente porque nosotros en general conversamos posterior a terminado la...
Lo primero, el llamado al autocuidado de todas las personas. Recordemos que hay niños, hay familia, todo.
Alright guys, it is official, the numbers are in. We have just witnessed history in the making for Chile. 1.2 million people were at Plaza Italia today for the march, and yeah, it is Chile's largest march in its history, and from what I saw, that crowd was at least 2 kilometers you know, in total, you know, congested, packed full of people. From Bella Vista to Plaza Italia was 1 kilometer, and then that was only halfway, and then it stretched out another kilometer on the other end. So everyone joined in today. I think it's the 6th day of this protest, or Toque de Queda, and it's actually quite interesting when you just stand there and watch. You know, all the songs they're singing, all the chants, what they mean, all the flags they're waving. You know, the Chilean flag, of course, football clubs, the Mapuche flag, and you know, other variations. Tomorrow's the weekend, so just want to do a little bit different. Hopefully, I get to go out to other parts of the city and then, you know, check out a bit more of the Chilean Santiago culture, other than the protests that have been happening this week. So yeah, we'll just wait and see what tomorrow brings. Thanks for joining me today, guys, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow.